Hi, Super Kids. I'm your resident mermaid, Shelly Seaside, here at Spirit Lake. And I'm so glad you're here because Queen Dee is hosting an epic Halloween party. And her guests, like moi, are gonna help with some decorations. I've been assigned the bat decorations, but I'll let you in on a little secret, a smidge of gossip. I've never seen a bat before. Newsflash, they don't live in the ocean. So I'm gonna need your help to design the perfect bat decorations to make this party awesome. Are you in? Okay, here's the super plan. First, we'll grab the materials we'll need. Then we'll draw the bats. After, we'll cut them out, and then we'll string them together. And of course, finally, we'll make them super. Here's what you'll need. String, paper, scissors, tape, and coloring supplies. Pause now if you need more time to collect your supplies. Okay, ready to start on our bat decorations? Time for step 1. Let's draw our bats. To make your bats, start with some paper. Maybe you want to use black. Draw out the shape you want the bat to be. Now, I'll draw a flying bat. For my flying bat, I'm going to draw a big V and add some swoops, like this. So apparently, bats have some fur that is black, gray, brown, or tan. But since we're making ours out of paper, you can use any color you want. Oh my algae! Did you know that bats are the only mammals that can fly? Pretty impressive. Let's make sure to capture that in our decoration. Now, I'm gonna make some that are sleeping upside down. Can you believe that's how they sleep? Okay, my upside down bat has a circular head, some long rectangular wings hugged against the body, with some spiky points along the bottom, and some little feet at the bottom too. Press pause if you need more time. Find your scissors, because it's time for step 2. Let's cut out our bats. I want to have more than 2 bats on my string, so I'm going to use these as a stencil to make more bats. But maybe you want to draw out each of your own. If you want more of these same shapes like me, we are going to get another piece of paper, trace around the shape, and then cut it out. Repeat as many bats as you want on your string. Actually, I'm starting to piece together why bats are associated with Halloween. They're spooky looking, and they often like to rest in eerie places like caves, hollow trees, and even attics. If you're still cutting out your bats, pause now. We have all our bats. Now it's time for step 3. stringing them together. For this, you want a long piece of string or yarn. Now, lay your string out. Plan where you want your bats to be. Once you're happy with the arrangement, let's use some tape to attach them to the string. Press pause if you need more time. Finally, before we take these to the party, it's time for step 4, making it super. How are you going to make this bat string uniquely your own? Maybe you want to add little faces with some of your bats, or make some little ghosts to hang off your string. That's fun and exciting. Perhaps if you want to add a vampire in the middle. They're inspired by bats after all. Take the time you need in this step to make your decorations uniquely your own. Press pause if you need more time. Phew! I was so worried with my limited bat knowledge that I wouldn't pull this off. But thanks to you, they're gonna be fabulous. Queen Dee is gonna love them. They're an epic contribution to the party. Once you're done, take a picture of your bats and send it to hello@supernow.com. Can't wait to craft with you next time!